Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Tushar.
Do you want to know the translation transformation? Then let's begin.
Two-dimensional translation transformation. Translation is very important transformation in computer graphics. In case of translation transformation, object is moved from one location to another location, and we are interested in finding the relation between the coordinate of new position and the coordinate of old position. So in this case, consider point P having coordinate x comma y, and if it is translated from its original location by tx distance in x direction and ty distance in y direction, it achieves its new position p dash with coordinate x dash comma y dash. We are interested in finding the relation between the coordinate of p dash and the coordinate of p point. So we can calculate coordinate like this: x dash, x coordinate of p dash equal to x plus tx distance, and y dash, that is y coordinate of p dash, equal to y plus ty distance. In the matrix form, we can write this as matrix P equal to x and y, and matrix P dash equal to x dash and y dash. So the relation between P dash and P can be written as matrix P dash equal to matrix P plus matrix T, where matrix T is the translation matrix which represent the translation in x direction and translation in y direction. So we can write matrix P dash equal to matrix P plus matrix T. Based on this, we can solve a simple numerical to understand more about the translation, and we are going to use the Cartesian coordinate. This is the numerical: a line PQ with endpoints P at 3, 4 coordinate and Q at 7, 8 coordinate is to be moved by 5 units in x direction and 4 units in y direction. Determine the coordinates of the endpoint for a translated line. So in this case, we are given with the one line having endpoint 3, 4 and 7, 8, and this line is translated, or we can say moved by 5 units in x direction and 4 units in y direction. So after this displacement of line from its original location, what are the coordinate of that line's endpoint? We are interested in finding that. So this is the given data. We are given with coordinate of point P and coordinate of point Q. So the translation distance Tx in x direction, which is 5 units, and translation distance in y direction, which is 4 units. So we can name this as Tx and Ty. The given data can be written as translation matrix Tx and Ty. Tx is 5 unit and Ty is 4 unit, and matrix P, that is coordinate of point P, 3 and 4, and matrix Q, coordinate of point Q, 7 and 8. The new coordinates of endpoints of line PQ can be calculated as P dash equal to x dash y dash equal to matrix P plus translation matrix equal to x1 y1 plus tx and ty, and we get 8, 8. Similarly, we can find out the coordinate of q dash point. Coordinate of q dash equal to x2 y2 plus tx ty, and after putting the coordinate of q point and translation matrix, we get q dash equal to 12, 12. The original position of line, and when it is translated, it achieves its new position. This is the new position of the line after translation, and hence the new coordinate of endpoint of a line are P dash at 8,8 and Q dash at 12,12.
Thank you guys for watching. If you have any doubts, then leave a comment. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press bell icon. When I upload a new video, you will get the notification.